We begin this half hour with new requirements for people who receive SNAP food benefits from the federal government.
Supporters say they will help cut waste, but others say the changes will hurt people who are already struggling.
13 on your side political reporter Josh Albertus joins us now to explain. Josh.
Yeah, guys, according to the state, new mandates from what has been called the One Big Beautiful Bill from Congress are still being rolled out. More are on the way. So they met with local leaders today about what's happening.
These are human beings. These are our neighbors.
People who could face a big impact as state and local leaders figure out what to do with major changes out of Washington.
There's a lot of othering going on in this conversation right now. Like those are others that are going to be impacted by this, when really it is all of us that are going to be impacted.
Leaders referring to what could be the impact of what was dubbed the One Big Beautiful Bill. Spending and tax legislation, supporters also touted as a way to crack down on abuse of social safety nets. Many of its changes are still set to roll out, according to the state, and leaders fear changes like new work requirements on SNAP and Medicaid will stretch resources.
New work requirements are causing a strain on local Michigan Works agencies.
Possible local impacts are a big concern for those like Wendy Randall. Should some lose their benefits, Randall signaled, they won't be the only ones to feel it.
In the healthcare realm, what we're really going to see is increasing healthcare costs overall, because when people lose their coverage, that means that there's going to be uncompensated care at our local health systems, and that uncompensated care will impact their ability to provide high quality services for all of their patients.
In the end, these programs are administered through resources of the state, which saw its own budget standoff amongst lawmakers last year.
I'm optimistic that everyone will come to the table and negotiate a budget that protects access to health care and food assistance for Michiganders across the state.
Both the Democratic-controlled Senate and Republican-controlled House moving forward this past week with their ideas for the next budget. The chair of the powerful House Appropriations Committee saying last week, quote, "Our budget reflects a simple principle. We respect the hardworking taxpayers of Michigan. Families across our state are tightening their belts to afford groceries, gas, and everyday expenses. State government should be doing the same, not asking for more."
And the state budget director who you heard from there said it's unfortunate in her view to see some proposed cuts. That budget process on the state level is still ongoing with a final budget due later this year.